Katie Price was sure to celebrate in a very patriotic manner as King Charles' coronation took place in a regal ceremony held at Westminster Abbey today. The TV personality, 44, recently had her 16th breast augmentation in a bid to have the largest in Britain and did not shy away from flaunting the results. Katie wowed onlookers in a tiny bikini featuring the Union Jack printed across the skimpy two-piece as she marked the celebratory occasion. The mum of 5 kept her dark dresses tucked underneath a matching bandana as she flashed a number of tattoos that covered her taut abs and toned legs. The on-screen star put on an animated display as she cheekily flashed her bottom before giving a kiss to her beau Carl Woods, who joined her on the trip.